Priming a repaired panel usually reveals any flaws or imperfections in your bodywork. In this case, we had a high weld right here and another one right there. I had a low spot right here, and a weird body line right here. The way we fixed it was first we block sanded the area, found those low spots, filled in any of those low spots, and I filled in right here. There's a lip that had to be filled. This, and this. Very tight, thin layer of filler. That way, this, and here. After the filler hardened a bit, we cheese grated any excess off and block sanded. The good thing about using a cheese grater in this situation is it only takes off the softer filler. It won't dig in to what you already have nice and flat. Here's a close-up shot of those repaired imperfections, and it is okay to put filler over your primer. Now we'll prime it again. Noticing flaws after priming is common and nothing to worry about. You can use regular filler or easy to sand glazing putty to fine-tune the area, then simply prime and block again. I hope this video on fixing imperfections helps out. If it did, and you'd like to see more like it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.